empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new on this channel, then let me tell you that I am Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks for supporting me. So guys, I'm so excited to shoot this video because in this video I'm going to use my Sephora eyeshadow palette for the first time, and I wanted to do it with you guys. Also, this is the first ever eyeshadow palette from Sephora which I bought, and I'm so excited to use it for the first time. Also, please don't mind the lighting because I love to shoot in sunlight, but today the sun is not supporting me. So guys, this is how the palette looks. And it has got 8 eyeshadows. You can see it has transition shades, it has the basic shades. Also, it has got some glitter shades as well. Also, in my next video, I am going to swatch each of this shade for you guys, so stay tuned. But in today's video, I'm going to create an eye look with this, and also I'm going to share with you guys how I do my full face makeup. So let's get started. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to moisturize my face. Make sure that you don't skip this part because moisturizing your face is really important. And next I am going to apply my primer. The primer that I use is from Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Primer. So the next thing that I'm going to apply is my Pond's BB cream, which is in the shade 01 Original. Guys, I'm not a fan of using a foundation on my skin. I rather use my BB cream and apply concealer over that. So the first thing that I'm going to cover is my under eyes. And then I'm going to gradually move towards my neck. This step is important if you want that your skin color should match with your body color. And now I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. You just have to tap it like you do it with your foundation and not rub it. So once I'm done with my BB cream, next I'm going to move towards my concealer, and I'm going to use my Note Concealer, which is in the shade 02 Natural Beige. Once I'm done with my concealer, I'm going to fix my face with the makeup fixer from Faces Canada. And now I'm going to move towards my eyes. So guys, as I already mentioned that in this video, I'm going to use my Sephora eyeshadow palette, and that too for the first time. So I'm so excited to do it, and let's see how it comes out. So to start off with my eyes, I'm first going to conceal them, and for concealing them, I'm going to use my NARS concealer. Guys, I personally believe that concealing your eyes is very important before you start with your eye makeup because it really helps you to blend your eyeshadows. So the first shade that I'm going to apply is this cream shade. I'm going to blend this all over my crease and my eyelid. So next for my crease, I'm going to use this brown shade from this palette. I really love these shades. They are so pigmented and they are so easy to blend. In fact, guys, more than the color, I really love the texture.
A bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind.
Somewhere along the lines, we stop seeing eye to eye.
And now I'm going to take my other blending brush and blend the ends.
Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of...
Now I'm going to take the same brown shade and with this brush I'm going to darken my crease.
Oh, higher than the highest skyscraper. No lead to lead we made.
Pretty little body dancing like...
Guys, I truly love the texture of these shadows.
Dance to the distortion.
And now for my outer eye, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow.
Estoy que tomarlo sin ningún apuro.
And guys, for the inner side of my eye, now I'm going to use this glitter shade and this flat brush.
This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just wanna hear you screaming like bendito.
Could do anything, they'll say that
And now with my hand, I'm going to blend both the eyeshadows. In fact, all the three.
get away with everything. Let's show them.
So guys, this is the eye look that I have created using my Sephora eyeshadow palette. And I'm so sorry for the lighting today. I don't know what is happening. So I'm almost done with my eye and now I'm going to move towards my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use my Sugar Brow Definer, which is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. Also, it comes with this spoolie brush and I've already shown this product in my haul video. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link in the description below.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
I've been drowning in love, lost in the rush, faded just like I'll help you up.
Running red eyes in the night, like a panther out of sight. Gonna sing my battle cry.
So next I'm going to apply my Lakme Shine Line eyeliner.
Her perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Oh, oh. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Ride your top and taste this.
Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, you like it?
Next, for the lower side of my eye, I'm going to use the same brown shade which I used for my crease.
Oh, I want something just like
So guys, next I'm going to apply my COLORBAR Kajal, which is in the shade Black 001.
More bounce, bounce, bounce. Are you ready for it?
So guys, next I'm going to move towards my eyelashes.
The fucking house.
Hey, you got me like a third type of girl. Get that ass in the bed, I'm alive. Go.
I'm feeling sexual. So we should be sexual.
So after curling my eyelashes, I'm going to use my COLORBAR mascara. Well, I'm not a fan of fake eyelashes, so I'd really love to apply a thick layer of my mascara. So guys, finally I'm done with my one eye, and you can see the difference in both the eyes, how vibrant this eye looks. And now I'm going to quickly finish up with my other eye off camera, so stay tuned. So guys, with this my second eye is also done, and now I'm going to bake my face with my COLORBAR loose powder, which is in the shade 001 Beige Fair. So till my powder sets, I'm going to do my contouring, and for that I'm going to use my TRYSUGAR palette, which is in the shade 01 Subtle Summit.
No, mama, you never check here, cause you have to set things year after year, and you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare.
So guys, after my contouring, I'm going to remove the excess of my loose powder. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to apply my blush. For my blush, I'm going to use this one from Lakme Absolute. I have a broken one, but still I keep on using it because I really like this one. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to apply my highlighter and my lipstick. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this one from Sugar Cosmetics, which is in the shade 02 Gold Glory.
Eyes, cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake, and you keep between your legs. Here
we go down, we go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever.
Monday to Sunday.
And for my lip color, I'm going to use Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, which is in the shade 49 Nude Mood.
I'm a run up on you. I'm a run up on you.
With your bitch ass.
I'm a run up on you. I'm a run up on you.
Hey, with your fake ass bitches. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver.
So guys, our look for today is complete. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And you can reach out to me on my Instagram if you have any queries, or you can mention down in the comment section below. Thank you.
Killers take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.